topic is cell division. Parent cell produces daughter cell. This is called as cell division. Life of every multicellular organism, it starts from zygote. This is the single cell. It divides and it forms organism. Here, the cell division is mitosis. In this chapter, I will teach you cell cycle and types of cell division, and this is the most important topic of biology. Basic of the chapter they are utilized in 12th. Lots of questions they are asked in NEET exam. So please see these all videos very carefully and learn this topic. It is very important, friends. So first we will see the cell cycle. Sequential event which occur in the life of dividing cell, it is called as cell cycle. Here the cell division begins, and after the mitosis, two cells are formed. This sequential event, it is called as cell cycle. Remember, sequential event which occur in life of dividing cell called as cell cycle. Means first this is the longest phase, and this phase is called as interphase, and second phase is the M phase. M phase may be mitosis or meiosis. Interphase, first we will see the interphase. It is called as a resting phase, but here the cell is not resting. Its metabolic activities, they are at their higher peaks. Means in G1 phase, G1 means gap phase first or growth phase first. There is cell growth, organelle duplication, mitochondria, chloroplast, they are duplicated here, and synthesis of protein and RNA. Means cell is not resting. This is the G1 phase. The second phase of this interphase is the S phase. It lasts for 6 to 8 hours, and in this S phase or phase of synthesis, there is synthesis of DNA and protein called histone. Then third phase of interphase is G2 phase. That is the gap phase first or growth phase first, in which again synthesis of protein occur, which are required for the cell division. It lasts for 2 to 5 hours. And the second phase is the actual phase of cell division, which is called as M phase. If it is mitosis, there are 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And at the end, 2 cells are produced during the mitosis, and it lasts for 1 to 3 hours. Means during the cell division, suppose in mitosis, suppose this is the one daughter cell, this is the parent cell. This parent cell divide and it produce 2 daughter cell which are exactly identical to each other. Remember, from single cell 2 cells are produced, and these 2 cells, they are identical to each other. Means similar material is given to this daughter cell. Here similar material is given to the daughter cell. So the synthesis of that material which parent cell give to the daughter cell, that material is duplicated in this interphase. So it is not a resting phase. Again we will revise. Interphase, it is the first phase. It consists 3 phases: G1, S and G2 phase. Second, remember the duration. G1 lasts for 8 hours. S or phase of synthesis lasts for 6 to 8 hours, and phase of growth, second, it lasts for 2 to 5 hours. In the G1 phase, cell grows, organelles like mitochondria and chloroplast, they are duplicated, and synthesis of protein and RNA occur. While DNA synthesis and synthesis of protein called histone, they occur in the S phase or first phase of synthesis. G2 phase, in this phase there is protein synthesis. Then mitosis, it consists 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, and at the end 2 cells are produced in the mitosis. So again we will revise the definition. Sequential event means there is a definite sequence. First there is a interphase, then there is a M phase. Sequential event which occur in the life of dividing cell called as cell cycle. Or in other words, a period from beginning of one cell division to the beginning of next, it is called as cell cycle. Or period from end of one cell division to the end of next, it is called as cell cycle. This daughter cell, they may further divide, means they may enter into the G1 phase or they undergo rest, and this resting phase is called as G0 stage. And when any cell, it lost the control over the cell division, it results in cancer. You know that cancer, abnormal growth of cell, it is called as cancer, which produce tumor. Means this abnormal cell divide and redivide and it produces a tumor. And this occur due to the loss of control over the cell division into the G0 stage. This is the cell cycle. In next video, we will see the types of cell division. 3 types are there. First one is amitosis, second mitosis, and third one meiosis. So, to see the video in future, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive the notification of the next video. Thank you.